We're going to talk about rinse and repeat within your effective advertising strategy. This is the 18-20 rule in your advertising strategy. As you develop your advertising strategy, it's important to understand that some of the things you do will work and some will not work. You'll need to check your metrics to find out what's succeeding and what's failing, and then determine what you should do more of and what you should drop. Plus, you'll want to add in alternatives to test along the way while you continue doing what is succeeding. Conduct A/B testing, whether it's a landing page, a shopping cart system, or a Facebook advertisement. It's important to try out at least 2 different versions of any page meant for sales. Change one little thing on each of them, such as a headline or an image. This will enable you to improve your advertising exponentially. Study email metrics. Getting people to sign up for your email list is only part of the plan. You need to ensure that your email is converting to actual sales. If not, you need to know why not. The only way to get better is to try different things while testing against another thing. For example, different email subject lines or a different format of content inside the email. Check your website conversion metrics. When people come to your website, what percentage converts? How many sign up for your email list? How many buy your products or services? How many compared to visitors take any action at all? Study social media metrics. When you embark on a social media marketing campaign, it's imperative that you check the stats. How many people you have following you and liking you isn't as important as the engagement you get and the conversions that occur. Track website traffic. Before running any advertising campaign, check your traffic. Then before, during and after the ad campaign starts, do it again. That way you can tell whether the work you're doing is having a positive effect. Compare sales. Check your sales before, during and after your new ad campaigns to find out how well they were doing prior to your new advertising efforts. Set up systems so that you can tell where your customers are coming from and which of your campaigns are having the best results. Survey customers. Set up an automated survey to go out to each customer within 2 weeks of their purchase or after your services have ended. This is a great way to find out how they found out about you, what made them want to work with you, and if you met their expectations. Survey newsletter subscriptions. Some conversions aren't customers yet. They got your lead magnet and they are on your email list. Survey them too to find out more about them. Why did they sign up for your list? You should be aware of what freebies they got, but it will help to know what it was about your freebie they liked, more than what you think they may have liked. The fact is, more times than not, you'll get 80% of good results for only 20% of the work that you do. As you test alternatives and reuse what's working, you'll find that your advertising becomes more successful with each new campaign.